So for this problem, what we're doing is, well, let's see. So I've got they're telling me that the parent population has a normal distribution. Again, that's not so crucial a thing, especially when we have a sample of 80 trees. But because it is a sample, it's a sampling distribution, and we know that the mean is equal to the parent population mean. So that's my mean. As you can see, that's what they said for the answer. So that number would go here, and that's what goes here. So that's the mean of all the sample means. And then the standard deviation, we're going to use that population standard deviation divided by the square root of the sample size again to get the standard deviation for these sample means. Standard error is another name for it. So they're telling us the standard deviation is 49.5. And I'm going to divide that by the square root of the sample size, and we have 80 trees. So (49.5) divided by the square root of 80. So 5.53. Notice that's what they said the standard deviation is. Now to fill in the rest of these numbers, or rest of these values, well, the mean goes in the middle here. Here, let me get a pointer going. Okay, so the mean goes in the middle. So that's what they said there. I'm sorry, that's what they said here. Now, the number that goes here, I'm counting that that's 2 standard deviations below the mean. Look at those tick marks. So if we come over to my calculator and we do 188.3 minus 2 times 5.53426. We'll go with. And is that giving me the answer? Okay, it is. And then, because I'm really going to be lazy and because I'm going 2 standard deviations above, I'm just going to add 2 of those to the mean, and that's where we got that upper value. Okay, so that's the number that goes here. 2 standard deviations above the mean. I know I'm using 2 because there's 2 tick marks. And that covers the middle 95% of all samples. So so the chance of getting the sample outside that range is only 5% in both directions, or 2.5% on any one. So hope that helps you do this.